What inspired the name Breakwater?
Breakwater came from this research I was doing on actual breakwaters. So breakwaters are these large concrete structures that are placed strategically in the ocean to protect the shoreline from erosion. And then I started to look at those two words separately, break and water. And I liked what happened when you pull those words apart. And there was some reading that I was doing by a scholar named Fred Moten, who wrote about the jazz break being this moment in a jazz arrangement where there's a break in the tempo that allows the musicians to sort of freestyle, to kind of wing it. And he compares that to Black life in America, that we sort of have to wait, like there are these breaks where our creativity and ingenuity lend themselves to our survival. I hope that people learn from it. I hope that people will find it visually interesting and just share the history.